Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Vasila Build for Speed, and today we got a little different video. In the meantime, yeah, I'm got an engine building and then tuning on the 60R. That was another thing that happened, but for now we're gonna kind of differentiate, go away from that, and then today we're gonna be making a video on what year is this? 2021? 2022 CFMoto 800. One of these bad boys, and we got some mods on it. As you've seen in our previous video, we got a slip-on, we got the header, and today we got some goodies from Yeti Performance. This is their website. I'll link their website in the description below, yetiperformance.com. He has some really good deals, so definitely go check him out, and he's continuously investing in mods for this platform. In the 800,000, I'm pretty sure he got mods for the smaller versions also, but today we got this bad boy from him. His MyGenius. This, I believe, can handle up to 10 files on this for this quad. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to use this, how to get the stock file from there and then upload it, and then how the whole process works. But they send you a good instruction sheet, so if you guys follow that, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And then yeah, we got a couple of hats. Okay, and also before I forget, the tunes are going to be coming from Power Sports Calibrations. They're pretty much been from the beginning, from the get-go. They started, and they're the leader in the industry for tunes, making tunes for this platform. So I just wanted to go with the best. So the tune files that we're going to download from the quad that we're going to pull, they're going to upload to the MyGenius online. They're going to go straight to them, and then he's going to send me the update. He's going to make revisions to the tune files, and he's going to send me one or a couple tune files to test, and whichever one tests the best, that's the one I'm going to run. So that's how the process is going to go. Power Sports Calibrations, that's where the tune files are going to be made and we're going to be coming from. But the tuner we bought from Yeti Performance. Okay, so one of the first instructions here, it says to install MyGenius software, and they give you a URL, pretty much a website to go on. And then next it says connect the USB cable to the computer and wait for the main menu to light up. So now we're up to, so I downloaded the MyGenius right there. It took a while, so if you guys yours take a while, just expect it. Mine took a while, so now that it's downloaded, I'm gonna do the step number 2, connect the USB to it. As you can see, we're brothers, we're all made a mess over here, but let's open this up. But this is how the packaging looks. OBD tuning device for the quad. We got a device, pretty straightforward, looks basic device. And then let's see here, we got some papers, MyGenius papers, and then all the cables that we need. So we got, I'm guessing this is, yeah, this is for the vehicle, so you hook up to this to hook up the vehicle to the actual quad. And then this is the USB cable that you plug into the MyGenius and hook it up to your computer so you can sync it with MyGenius. Okay, so now once I plug this device into the computer, I clicked on the MyGenius, and as soon as I clicked it, it opened up, and it's telling me it needs a mandatory update. And then this is just says USB connection, sorry, it's a little light bright, USB connection activated. So now let's do the update. Let's click OK, and I think it's gonna do its thing. And then you have to read the terms and conditions. You have to accept it either way, and then yes. So one thing I noticed, it did this once, and on here on this it said do the update process twice. So I downloaded the MyGenius and I started the update process, but it said failed. I don't know why, and I clicked OK, and I thought it updated, but I'm guessing I had to connect it, because after you install that, I was supposed to connect the USB cable to this, and I did not do it. So make sure you guys, when you guys install the software, don't click on this update stuff, because it's not going to complete without this being connected. So once you download the software, just connect this to it and then do this. Do it twice, I guess it says do the update twice. I'm new at this, I haven't never done this with this device, so this is, I'm just kind of learning as I go. One thing I'll tell you also while it's doing this, it's gonna keep popping up stuff. Do not disturb this. It will tell you everything is complete at the end after it's done. So If stuff is popping up here or there, do not disturb it, leave it alone until it's done. And like I said, this may be the first time, because it did this first time and then at the end it said something error or some sort, and then I clicked OK, and I don't know whether it did the first update process, so it may not have done. So I may need to do this twice. This is, I guess, the first time I'm actually going to do it with this connected to the computer. Just like this, it says update completed. Click OK, and that's that. Now I try to open up MyGenius. I clicked on it again. It's initializing communication, and let's see if it does the update again. They said to do it twice. Let's wait, give it a second. Okay, it's not popping up anything. Click here to start the update procedure for your Genius tool. Let's start it. Okay, let's do it twice just in case. Let's see if it does it, if it does anything. Let's agree to this. Since they said do it twice, we'll do it again. Yes. And I think it started. I think it's gonna start on its own. Yeah, it does. It starts on its own. So this is the second time we do it. After this is done, we're gonna move on to the connecting to your vehicle and plugging it into the ATV. Okay, so the second time update's completed. Now we're all done. What did I click again? Did I click update accidentally? So let's say no. Software canceled. Yeah, I tried to update it the third time. So yeah, it's done now. And now we can move on to connecting the cable to the vehicle. Okay, so now we gotta turn the ignition on. Turn the kill switch to the on position, which is right there. So this is off, this is on. And then we go click work, CFMoto, and then we're gonna select CForce 800 XC, which is that right there. Click OK. Switch on the dashboard, check the connections and press OK. Starting communication. Identification of the ECU communication in progress. So it also told us to have a battery, a trickle charger of some sort on the battery, keep it charging. Yeah. And okay, so now we went through the process, and this is what it's saying: reading, setup and back, identification. Here it says choose work, model, follow the screen prompts accurately, click on the ID, read tab until reading is complete. And then after that, turn off the ignition, disconnect MyGenius from the vehicle. After the device is returned to the main menu, connect MyGenius to the computer. Okay, so let's see here. Reading, I think we're at reading. Please connect the vehicle to a stabilized battery. Okay. Switch on the dashboard.
Down. There you go.
That. So we turn this red switch on position. Starting communication, and it's loading. So okay, we're gonna wait with that. Okay, so it said reading preparation in progress, and then now we switch to saying this reading ECU. So that's the step we're at, and it's loading, and it seems like it's going it's okay, it's not crazy slow, but it's not fast. So this is why they want you to have this, because the ignition is on, the charger is on, and you know, all your lights are on. So that's why they don't want any interruptions of voltage. So that's why we have the battery charger, and we're gonna wait until that's done right there. Okay, so it says switch off the dashboard to continue. Okay, so we're gonna turn that off. Click OK. Reading the ECU is completed. That's what it says. So after we turn this off, click OK, and then it's done. And it's saying analyzing log, and it returned to the main menu. So it said after it returns to the main menu, connect MyGenius to the computer. And we're gonna upload the file and send it to the email right there. And then he's gonna edit it, send us a new file, and then pretty much that's how the process goes. Then we go update the file from here to the MyGenius and flash it to the car. To the car, excuse me, to the ATV. We're gonna tell him what mods we have on this bad boy. So we have full exhaust pretty much. We have the intake pipe on it. I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so intake pipe and full exhaust. And then we're gonna tell him what mods we have, and then he's gonna send us a tune according to those mods. Okay, so once I connected MyGenius or to this, it says download from MyGenius, and I said okay. And then I specified, I clicked on the tab where it says where I wanted to download it. I said to my desktop, and it says right there, my G file. So now that's the file I'm gonna email to the email specified in the instructions. So he can edit the file, the tune file, and send it back to us. Already tuned file. So now we're gonna close. It says procedure completed successfully. Right there, and it's also on our desktop. But yeah, this is the tab that you click on top, download from MyGenius, and then go through the process of saving it to your desktop or wherever you want to save it. And then after you save it, you're going to email that file to the email provided on the instructions. All right, that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to give you guys some insight on how the tuning goes. And obviously, if you guys checked out my previous video on the headers install and the catback exhaust, and then we also have the little pipe by the intake. We didn't do a video on that, but that's pretty straightforward if you want to go and buy that one. But definitely check out Yeti Performance. They're working on a lot of parts and mods for this platform, for the CFMotos 800s and all the other models, the 1000s. And so definitely check their website out. They have a ton of stuff over there for you guys for tuning, whether it's for mods. And I know some of the stuff might not be out yet, but they're working on stuff. So check their website out. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, comment in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. But as usual, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.